Blender, an incredible tool for animation with non-existent animation management. Create a few actions and you quickly find yourself overwhelmed by a messy list of names. And if you have characters that use different skeletons, good luck figuring out which walk animation goes to which one. You're here to animate, not go on expeditions. Enter Animation Tags, a tag-based management system that overhauls how you organize your animations. Blender's collection system isn't available to animations, but even if it were, Animation Tags is a greater tool as it allows you to assign multiple tags to a single animation, offering complete flexibility in categorization. Now build your hierarchies however you need and filter them to find the animation you need in seconds. Here's an example of how this freedom works. You could organize your animations under human, locomotion, walk, and dog, locomotion, walk. But it might be cleaner to create the tags human, dog, and locomotion separately and use the tag system to filter. By clicking on locomotion, you instantly find both walking animations and can then use the hide and isolate feature to show or hide either the human or dog animations as needed. This kind of flexible tag-based management doesn't exist in Blender's rigid folder-based system. Understand that. Animation Tags is more forgiving and flexible than Blender's traditional collections, and by far an improvement over the total lack of any animation management that comes by default. With multiple tags per animation and intuitive filtering, you never need to scroll through an exhausting list of names again. Refine your search results in seconds, whether through the search bar or by isolating key tags. Whether you work by character, action type, or both, it's your call. Simply search, filter, and animate with complete freedom. I enjoy my freedom hot. As a stew that has been burning through my hands, my flesh has melted, but my bones have remained sturdy as I hold the big, thick, steaming dish in my hands. For this broth will not escape my taste. It will be devoured!